Koutruk village at Singda in Imphal West district once again witnessed a reign of fear following indiscriminate bomb attacks by suspected Kuki militants last night. The attack was the latest in the violence-plagued state. According to SK News, Kuki militants fired several rounds at Koutruk Chingdong Laikai from nearby hills around 9 p.m. The unprovoked attack came hours after the fifth session of the 12th Manipur legislative ended yesterday. Immediately after the attack, central forces deployed sires and searchlights, after which the firing reportedly stopped. However, the Kuki militants hurled 3 bombs at the village around 9:50 p.m. again. There were no reports of crossfire between the Kuki militants and the village volunteers and state force. There are also no confirmed reports of casualties from the firing till the time of filing this report.
Yeah,